I had an awesome 30-hour layover here, but I'm ready to get home. Good morning, everyone, from Indianapolis. It looks like it is a cloudy and cold day out today. I have a nice view of downtown from my hotel room, though. I'm currently on a 3-day flight attendant trip. So yesterday we went from DFW to Phoenix, and then we went from Phoenix here to Indianapolis. But we didn't get until really late. I think we landed around midnight, so I wasn't actually to my hotel room and in bed until around 1 in the morning. I slept in. It was great, but we have all day here today. We don't leave until tomorrow morning. So I am leaving my hotel room now to head to the gym so I can get in a quick workout, and then we're gonna get ready and go out and explore. Finished my workout, it was good. This hotel has a Starbucks downstairs, so I went there and grabbed a little sandwich right here. So I'm gonna eat this and a protein shake, and then we're gonna get ready and head out to explore. I'm almost ready to leave now. I'm putting on this big fuzzy coat because it is really cold outside. Well, at least it's cold for me. I don't know if it's cold for you. Maybe where you live, this isn't that bad, but for me, this is very, very cold. It is currently 37 degrees Fahrenheit out and cloudy. I am also going to wear this hat, kind of just to put my whole winter weather look together. I know that it's going to be a little bit cold, but I'm excited to get out and explore a city that I've never been to before. Before we head out and explore Indianapolis, I do want to thank my good friends over at Babbel for sponsoring today's video. I think one of the reasons why it is so cool to learn a new language or to learn a few words in a new language is because it really helps with your own personal self-improvement and to become more culturally diverse, especially when you travel. Babbel really is the best language learning app because they offer you so many different ways to learn. For example, through interactive 10-minute live lessons, podcasts, games, and Babbel also teaches you through real-world practical conversations. Babbel also offers a 20-day money-back guarantee. As many of you know, I have been recently focusing on learning Spanish. However, I do want to learn a little bit of French also, because I don't know if many of you know this, but my boyfriend Eric is half Swiss, and he actually spent part of his junior year of high school living in Switzerland. So he is completely fluent in French, and I just think it would be awesome if we could communicate a little bit in that language as well. Ça va?
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. As you all can tell, I am very rusty. I have never spoken French before, but that is why Babbel is here to help. Learning a new language is one of the best ways to work on yourself in 2022. You can start speaking a new language in as little as 3 weeks with Babbel. They are also giving all of you a 65% off discount to your subscription if you click the link in my description box below. Thank you again to Babbel for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get back to Indianapolis. Now that I am actually out here outside walking around and exploring, it's really not that cold. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Even though you wouldn't do the same. After walking around downtown for a little while, I came back up to my room and got some work done on my laptop, and now I'm hungry, so I'm ready to head out for dinner. Another thing that I could have done today, and a lot of you recommended on Instagram, was to go to the Motor Speedway Museum, and I definitely think that would have been really cool, but I'm not super into racing, and it was gonna be $80 round trip for an Uber, so to me it just kind of didn't really seem worth it, so I decided to pass on that this time. A lot of you also recommended St. Elmo Steakhouse for dinner tonight, and I did look up the menu. It looks fantastic, but I do feel like it is a little bit pricey, and also I would have needed to make a reservation because they don't have any tables available for tonight. All right, y'all, so I am heading out the door now. I'm heading to a place called Bakersfield. It's a 15-minute walk. It's a Mexican place that a lot of you recommended, so I'm gonna go check that out, and then if it gets dark, I'll probably take an Uber back. I am back in my hotel room now, and oh my gosh, I had such a great time at dinner. The food was fantastic and the service was excellent. I highly recommend it to anyone who's in this area. I'm definitely tired though, and we have a pretty early morning tomorrow, but I'm still super happy that I was able to get out and explore a little bit today. I feel like that's one thing about being a flight attendant, is that sometimes it can be really easy to do what we call slam click, which is where you slam the hotel room door shut and you click the lock and you don't leave your room again until it's time to head to the airport for your next assignment. Definitely there's a lot of times where I do that, where I don't leave my hotel room and I don't go do anything, but I don't know, I just feel like sometimes with this job too, you have to push yourself and you have to try to make your own little self-improvements and go out and do things that you might not have done otherwise. Like, I might not have gone to that restaurant and had that fabulous food had I not been a flight attendant. And also having all of you here on my YouTube channel really motivates me and inspires me to get out and do things so that I can bring you all with me, so that way you all can see the sites that I'm able to travel to for work that you might not be able to, and to just virtually come with me. And I don't know, I'm kind of babbling right now, but anyways, I do need to get some sleep, so I'm probably just going to read or watch some YouTube videos or Netflix or something, and I will see you all in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 6 a.m. I did not sleep too great last night. And that is because last night until around midnight, I think at the earliest, there must have been some huge party or something going on downstairs, because the lobby was so loud. I mean, I'm talking like blasting music, people yelling, laughing, which, like, I normally love stuff like that. Like, I'm so happy that people are happy and are, you know, enjoying life. But when it's midnight and I gotta wake up at 5, it's hard, you know? And then I was hot, so I turned the AC on, and then I was cold, and so I just couldn't get comfortable, and then I was awake because of the party going on. It was just a mess. And then I think it was like, yeah, probably close to midnight too. There was this couple that was outside, I think in the hallway, that was arguing very loudly. It was just, you know, not the best night of sleep, but that is okay because I have some coffee. And now that I've been awake for a little while, I'm actually feeling a little better. But anyways, we have 3 flights today. Our first is from Indianapolis back to DFW. And then we go from DFW to Denver, and then Denver back to Dallas. So we should be home early evening tonight. All right, so everything is just about all picked up. I had an awesome 30-hour layover here, but I'm ready to get home. I hear you. Hi, Luna. Hi, baby. Luna, look what I got for you. It's a new toy. I got you a new little duck. Luna is in our bedroom playing with her new duck. Do you like it? Oh, are you getting hyper? as you all can tell, I am home from my trip now. I stopped at Target and got Luna a new toy, and Eric and I are going to make some homemade pizzas for dinner tonight. Luna's so strong.
This thing's gonna break.
No, don't break it. I just bought it. Okay, so we are trying to decide what kind of wine is best to eat with pizza. There's a few different things that I'm seeing online. Some are saying red, some are saying white. Some things are saying like Sauvignon Blanc, and then others are saying a Pinot Grigio. So, how does it look?
Looks great. I'm pumped.
That does look really good.
Here's how yours is looking at the moment.
Mine definitely needs some more time. My pizza is done. Oh my gosh, this does look absolutely delicious. Yum.
Now how do you get it out?
True. We're gonna have to use a spatula. Luna, can he do it? Is it stuck or is it good?
No, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. And then we just scoop it out onto a plate.
Wide enough.
I think that would work, yeah. Perfect transfer. Look at you, Mr. Chef.
It's a good looking pizza.
Just chopped my pizza up and oh my gosh, this looks fantastic. Look how thick that crust is. Mmm, so good. Do y'all remember when we first moved in here? Our friends Mel and Chandler came to help us move and they brought their puppy Foxy. Okay, so this is Mel and this is Chandler and they're our friends and they're moving into the same apartment complex as us, but in March, and they brought over their puppy Foxy. Well, this is her now, a few months later. She's so much bigger. This is Luna's new BFF. Mel and Chandler are moving in this weekend, and so Foxy's here just for a little bit. We're watching her for like an hour. We got the golden doodle and the golden. I have a feeling this couch is gonna be their new favorite play spot. Foxy and Luna are so cute playing together. I can't wait for them to move in this weekend, and Luna is always gonna have a new buddy to play with. But anyways, I am so excited for my upcoming travel plans. Next weekend, I'm traveling to Utah for my little sister Alicia's birthday. And then as soon as I get back, Eric and I are going on a trip together for our anniversary. I will definitely be vlogging all of it, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for those videos. And don't forget to click that link in my description box below so you can get 65% off of your subscription with Babbel and learn a new language. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I hope that you all are having a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.